Dip dot art is one of the most mesmerizing techniques that I find helps ease worries and anxieties as I watch it being created, or even more when I'm creating a piece. That repetition motion of dipping something into the paint and onto the surface helps focus your mind and brings a sense of calm. Let me show you a few things I use to create my dots. The handle of a paintbrush, a shish kebab skewer, both the flat end and the pointed end. Toothpicks are a great tool for creating small dots, and a variety of stylus tools with different ends. A pencil eraser works great for larger dots, as does a nicely sharpened pencil to create smaller dots. I also like to use a ruler and a white chalk pencil to find the center of my design, to find the center of my surface so that I can create my design symmetrically. I created mine on a wooden hexagon box, but you can also use something as simple as a rock. I'm using DecoArt Americana paint. I base coated this with DecoArt Americana Primary Blue, and I'm dotting with titanium white. Let me show you how easy it is to create this mesmerizing dip dot art. Using a ruler and a white chalk pencil, I just found the center point of my box and then drew lines to map out so that I could have the center of my mandala and equally space my dots as I go around my design. You can lay the paint jar lid on top and draw a circle, as well as the paint topper. But I'm going to show you how just to start and create your dip dot design from here. We want to start with our center dot, so I'm using eraser. I'm just going to dot that right into the center. A couple things to focus on as you're creating this. Focus on your breathing, in and out, and that repetitive motion of dipping into the paint and dotting onto your piece. It's very calming and soothing, and as you get going, you kind of get mesmerized in those dots. So let's continue our design. I'm using the end of a paintbrush, and I'm going to dot, 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 and dot. The lines are going to help you evenly space your mandala. I'm going to use a larger paint handle. To create a larger dot. Focusing on my breathing. And let's go back to the pencil eraser. Using the end of a shish kebab skewer, I'm going to come back and add small dots. Notice how the dots get smaller as you continue to dot around the circle. And again, we'll continue switching back and forth between tools to make larger dots and smaller dots, focusing our mind on our breathing, calming our emotions, and focusing on that repetition of dip and dot. And there we have it, our mesmerizing dip dot art. Couple tips, just a reminder to focus on your breathing and the repetition of dipping and dotting the paint to calm and ease any worries or anxiety.